Daddies, them say we don't know how to marry, we just be worried. Daddies, them say all we do is to run away from the babies. Daddies, every day we do this and that. Them say we will not be responsible. No be everybody there like that. It just be funny.
Good morning, fellow Ambazonians. Una welcome. Happy Father's Day in arrears to all Ambazonian fathers worldwide, at home and back in ground zero.
Happy Father's Day to you.
Happy Father's Day to you, all Ambazonians. I want to welcome you once more for this platform. Now, me, Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, look on with another episode of the No Connie Talk Show. We get an extensive presentation for Giampona today, including an inside look into Kugwe village and a look into the actions that took place in the great state of Momo. So all na be welcome. I want to take this time for salute all Papa them because now Papa Day it just pass, and welcome all man for ground zero. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to every man where they fight for their responsibility. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to every man.
Welcome on board. All man welcome. Welcome today na number 23 day. Na number 23 day for the month of June 2020. Once more, I want to welcome una all for this platform. Na me, una servant, Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, Lukong Ambazonian FBI. Today I get a very deep presentation where I want to give una. And I also want to apologize, say it be possible for we for do the presentation as earlier announced. When I know say our country now for the Savannah State will day for lockdown, a day for day number 2. I will give an inside look for the lockdown where it can be largely a civilian ghost town, and our forces they no be feel any need. So one congratulate the people them for the Savannah State for standing up for the Ambazonian dignity and for protecting the integrity of our revolution. I will take my time for salute all man we then join the show, and as our tradition after it come after the segment we will then play our national anthem. So no go about waste time. We will go straight for our national anthem, and then I will take time for come back for can salute una. Then we'll go shoot directly for our opening statement, and then we'll go directly to the presentation we'll get on today for Giampona. So the first thing first, maybe we'll go for our national anthem. I will play thanks to YouTube. We'll go play from YouTube. Any place on a day for ground zero, for abroad, whether you do now for your work or you did inside a motor, you drive a motor, you did listen me, whatever place you did it now. Take the moment for salute our national symbol, our national flag, where it carry the spirit for Ambazonia. It tell we for who we will be. It tell we the type of conduct we will need for carry them like people them for Ambazonia, a special breed of people, the first democratic people them for black race. Where they don't turn up for this war. Now we will be the first one for be completely independent economically, militarily, as well as politically. So place one day, when I turn up more, when I stand up at a lot, we will join for sing our national anthem. When I put on a hand for our chest, when I hold on a head high, when I be proud for be citizens for this great country, who they call them Ambazonia. Me gonna no worry for comment section. I go come back for una for salute all man, but una fit continue for the give una comment them. I go see them later on so that I fit throw a salute for place una day for una community. And for the various affiliation them and for people they want to salute them. I will also take note for the team they bring them up. When I want to address them, I go address them. And I appreciate all when I want to come here as soon as I know we'll get a pure Ambazonian based platform, and we'll be very happy to get all the critical thinkers the way they participate for this show. May we march fire for our anthem.
Hail this man of glory. We the Ambazonians, special loyalty. Praises to our Savior who granted us the freedom. Allegiance to the hero who bought this land with their blood. From glory to glory, we rise to never to fall.
Here in a nation flowing with milk and honey. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Amazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation. Amazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation. So that is it. All man be welcome. Amazonia, the Most High God is the watchman of this nation. The Spirit of God is the watchman of this nation. That is who we are. We are a people of value. We are a people of good morals and good standing. We are the people that used to do cleanup campaign. We are people that are based on a strong foundation of the African tradition, Christian value, Judeo-Christian value. This is who we are. We should never forget who we are, and we should never forget the motivation way they carry we for do it, what they do and for this struggle, the killings them, the atrocity the way this recolonization we don't get our republic, it don't bring up upon we. May we never ever forget that. I go directly for our time for salute all man Aransi, Mama, Ate Irene, I called you Cafe, I salute you. OGC, Wally on the move, Ide for us, all man, day for us. But before I salute all man, make a first play again this Papa song because we done those pass for celebrate the War International Father's Day. One thank Ayabacho Lucas, the Papa for the egg of sea. He did like a father figure for we. He gave a man with a great character, a great father, and Seseko Ayoktabi, John Ba Akuru, and all the people the way they like Papa them for we for this our struggle. People then like Sheikh Kavi, the people they don't show great character. We were picking them for ground zero, they feel eminate them. We also want to thank father figure then like young father General Ivor where he don't pass go for glory. Na a father figure, na a wise man, na man where sacrifice his life for saving other people then get freedom. Na a virtues that, and also General Efang, na a whole big papa for ground zero, na the head for our structure for ground zero. He performed very marvelously. And for salute General Hassan where he did for inside the great state of Bui, and for salute General Sumanguru where he did for inside the great state of Momo, and for salute all the other general them. I want to take the moment too for salute even the forces them for the other one the way the partner we I will call and name them later on. But first of all, I time for me for salute all the Kunta Kintes them and all the great people them for the No Coin Talk show. And I will start them for salute now with Ndu na Victorine. I will start for salute Victorine. Make a play on another Papa song again before we begin the go. Why the volume done cut suddenly? Oh.
So all we do is to run away
so
from
all man be
babies.
welcome. I salute una all. Faith, joy, una be welcome. I want to raise salute for all our papa them from the Ambas Bay. I want to start for salute people them from I see my friend from Hard Talk for SCBC program coordinator and the senior my program. Make sure say you show up. As therefore, Silas, I want to see this program for SCBC. You know one Connie. So welcome Silas. You use the Pan-Africanist. Welcome. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. I want to salute all our people for the great state of Fako, for the great state of Kupe Maninguba, for the Atlantic state, for the great state of Lebialem, from Manu, Ndian, Meme, I for salute una all for people them for Isa Kwata, for Tiko, for Miselele, Atuyo na salute, for Moyo Jok, Atuyo na salute, for the Savannah states, I want to salute the people there for the great state of Bui, for the great state of Boyo, great state of Ndonga Mantung, the great state of Menchu, the great state of Mezam, Momo, Ngokitunja, all na be welcome. Happy Father's Day.
To every man where they fight for their responsibility. Happy Father's Day to you.
Happy Father's Day. I also want to salute some of our generals and commanders on the ground. Boss Daff, I remember you, Boss Daff. Cobra, weapon. Oh, na dey for my heart. And General Lieutenant General Popo, I salute you. Ya cafe dey for up. No mercy, Commander. No mercy. Ya cafe dey for up. Una place them day. Fast man. Una place them day. OGC, Mama Wali on the move. She's walking and walking and walking. Mama on the move. I salute you. You are a mother. You are a wonderful lady for all of us. And I also want to salute Die Hard and Labista 1, Labista 2. I salute you all. General Sumanguru. I salute you all. Make a place on one particular song before I move up. The one of our soldiers, the way he died for inside the great state of Menchum. If you know about it, I play video. So we want to pay tribute for Kechem Marcel. Now one of the great fighters that they done the fight for the valley for Menchum. Marcel Ibibina na the first deputy for commander for General Kolo. General Kolo, he be there for Menchum Valley. They be done fight brilliantly. He be killed unfortunately by an act of a traitor, an infiltrator them through this county system. They be ambushy. During the ambush, they be kill General Kolo. They be shoot his assistant. That is almost about 5 months ago. For a hand, the left hand be done paralyzed. He then eventually died due to the injury them for that hand. May his soul rest in peace. He will be forever remembered in Ambazonia, and his family will always be in our compensation plan. But make sure say me any man we don't put the life of our freedom, he be honored rightfully. So adios, camarade. Dios a decorum air. It be more glorious to die for your country than to live under a system who they under for la republic. So one, thank you so much for your service, General. We'll always remember you. So I go play the song for this one. Commander actually we die 2 days ago for inside the Menchum Valley Day. Now he be one of the people the way they be give us the heads up and the intelligence for go kill the infiltrator, the traitor where he be assassinate Polycarp. We go take out that revenge. It become we talk say if ADF be feel hell away for that mission, if facilitate them, we'll send a team there and go do the job. So one saluti, and for all the great job the way they done, they always do. I be together with this group for a very very long time since the early on for this was struggle. Now they be the main group. They now also host General Arike for their skin. They don't receive it for them very well and for bringing it within themselves for that period. Before one come go for below Bafood Day, so one thank them. Now very very welcoming group, now an independent group. They work very well with us in terms of collaboration. Their forces them for they be highly infiltrated, and I just want to thank Arike to Arike be done do a very good job for they for try for help them for bring them together after the death of General Kolo, and they be done over fight against those people the way they don't try for infiltrate them and destroy those groups. So they still be strong and they hold that Menchum Valley. So one salute them for their service. I will still play that video for you while we go on with our show. So for the comment section, I will follow them. We'll get just too much things that will present on today, but I go want still for still follow the comment section. So I will take some few minutes for salute all now. It will be very short today because we'll get just too much for present them. So Samson Gideon, you be welcome. Oh, mommy, welcome. Gambetta, welcome George, and John Leke, welcome. Oh, mommy, welcome to this show today. I'll give you a rundown for the show. We'll give you a little bit of a briefing. We'll also give you some news briefing. We'll talk about the incident for the lockdown where they go on, about the visit for Paul Tasang Jonkong for inside Bamenda. We will talk about the attacks and where they go on for inside the great state of Bui. We will also talk about the visit for General Hassan for the local population for inside Bui state. We will also talk about the action for traitors. Video evidence that come out. When I remember for 2018, I be tell say somewhere Komesako be done betray Ambazonia get a video conference with La République du Cameroon, their presidency. There is now video substantiation of that, and it look like say no be alone. So we go play that video for now. I go also play now videos them from Kugwe. It go show now inside Kugwe. It go give una an idea of the leadership with the ADF get on the ground and how did they approach community mobilization. So General Efang be done finally visit Kugwe, where it don't be a place where it don't be very troubled. We go give una that video. In a very long video, it will show now the general be very very angry, and everybody feel understand why the general will be angry. Una know say Kugwe now the legacy for General Ivor. So for general for go for inside Kugwe, you go see the way Kugwe dey. Population now run, people they know they find for inside Kugwe. General was very very upset. I wanna go see how he expressed for that video. So we also play a video message from General Sumanguru, the ADF commander, overall commander for the great state of Momo. He done send out a video. We also don't see video evidence where we tell say they be attack what people them. Sumanguru and the force they be launched an attack for Ashong against La République. They be neutralized 29 La République du Cameroon forces before the Bouango attack Nombeng for General Commando Ekam. We will give us some video them of that incident as well. So things are plenty. We will also talk about Simon Adams and the 15 head of states the way they are right later for talking me the United Nations they carry the palaver for Ambazonia go for higher level. I welcome honor. I offer on a collar nut for all our papa them waiting day for any service day as we go through with our show. So I think so we already go through that segment for Salot Oman. Smooth hit the road and going. So we'll dive directly straight into our presentation for today. Once more, ladies and gentlemen, today is number 23 day for the month for June 2020. My name is Kapo Daniel, Sense Pass King Lukong. Una be welcome for this platform. We will start with the segment which I will title Amber Liberation Briefing. So for our Amber Liberation Briefing today, we will get new information where they come out of international pressure. Say the journalists where they do a job as a journalist where La République be given convocation. He go for day like somebody where he respect law them. Irrespective of that, La République du Cameroon they catch he, then torture he, then hand it over for a B camp where they be beat Tisute, kill him for day. We then they get information and confirmation from inside sources then for ground zero. Say Wazizi was killed in a cell in the B camp where he was being kept. So a family also be contacted by La République du Cameroon elements from Yaoundé for deceive them, say it be transported for Yaoundé, for try to scam them. It is shown to what extent where this country, La République, it be na a very country where you no get no dignity. They need to respect law, na scammers, and our people they need to get the hell out of this country called La République du Cameroon. We don't also hear say one Ambazonia prisoners of war, he don't run away from prison. Now very big good news that really come. We don't get a little bit details, and we don't get communication with you. He don't extend for we wait till it happen. He don't go now for a safe place. So me they forget about it. It does dance set for backside. They don't see back foot. So that yesterday, one of the Ambazonia prisoners of war, he be bribed La République. When I see that country na a shithole country indeed. See the prisoner, he bribed La République du Cameroon, their doctor for prison. He bribed them, then say me then go away for hospital. Now through that way the other one then go release it. Then he spend a lot of money. Money will make him only for instant Kondengi day. So we want to congratulate you for escape from that shithole prison, and it is shown how that country they not be country where we feel to take them very seriously. Now place for we for leave them come up for there as soon as possible. So we also hear say some one doctor where they for inside the Boya University where to be there like Abobala. Those one the way they don't be assimilated, they try to play by the rules for be politically correct so that they go fit survive. We know say plenty so-called Anglophones them when our citizens there for La République they use all type of tactics for survive. Many of una don't get that experience. Our people then for inside La République they be forced for wear that Leons and Don Tableau their maillot so that they fit pretend for blend in. We live for day like slaves and we live for day like foreigners and because now who will be. So around here said they dismiss Dr. Sango, now one of our Bakwere Ambazonian, the way it teach for inside university for Boya. It teach na an associate professor for history. Then talk say if it teach even common history. How if we do live with a country in a union where our history it be banned? How if we do live in that type of a country? This now one of the reasons where the show we say there is no hope for any change for La Republic. Any man where the thing say this country if it ever change for allow sanity, say me a people then where they get a rich history. May we even get that right for even remember our history or for teach our history. Then if we give you that chance, so now a country for we for run come out where our head is still there for up. La Republique du Cameroon, as I always tell na a comedy country and a comedy country indeed. People that do worry now say plenty people that go to die when a gas. If you not buy their gas, gas or whatever type of gas bottle where they sell them for day. Wanna be very careful for Ground Zero in particular. Would you hear danger where they come up from expert them following the death for some woman where it happen for their capital for Yaoundé where gas bottle it explode. Gas bottle explode, it kill that woman, kill the woman, it picking them for inside house. Make her put the newspaper article where it talk about that incident where it happened for inside Yaoundé. Gas bottle explode for us and it is show we say we need to educate our people them. For inside La Republique du Cameroon, gas bottle it no get expiry date. But wait for even for across for Nigeria, world over, the highest amount of time if we use one gas bottle now 15 years. After 15 years it expire. So most gas bottles for that country they be make now during the period of the 90s, late 80s and 90s. So almost all gas bottles for that country it don't expire. So if una dey for Ground Zero, una wan go buy gas bottle, una make sure so una look am for say no get rust. If it get sign of weakness, make una not buy am because it go explode for house. Normally after 15 years, any gas bottle wey I use am for 15 years, they need to destroy them, melt them for make new one. But for La Republique, comedy country, they need to do them so make our people them wanna be very, very, very vigilant. So we ran there for inside day number 2 for lockdown. And we ran get a recorded interview from radio station. We don't know what na who station, but one of our activists them is send for we before a phone he run out of batteries. I go play the interview. Me gonna hear how the report about the lockdown will be enforced from Ground Zero. As we be here very well from the official communication by Raymond Akosun when I be the spokesperson for the AGOVC. He don't give you the details for the rationnier. But for me we know about waste time, we go do play the audio from Ground Zero where they show the lockdown. And one time the people them do want images where they come from Bambili, from Bambui, and also from the capital city Bamenda. It show how the whole Savannah state it don't be for lockdown. Maybe we frustrate La Republique du Cameroon. Their plan for camp inside our territory became manipulate our people them using corruption, so that made them abandon their interest for their revolution, for liberate themselves and for get independence. So before I play the audio, I play the audio first. When I radio interview, I wanna hear before I give my take on it. When I hear the interview.
A lot of the separatists themselves. Kiangala report.
Gunshots continue to rip through Cameroon's English-speaking regions as the separatist war, now in its 4th year, intensifies. But this has not stopped the government from engaging in reconstruction. Officials of the presidential plan for reconstruction and development of the 2 regions have begun a 12-day awareness and sensitization mission to drum up support for the reconstruction effort. The mayor of Oku in Cameroon's northwest region, Jerome Gio, has welcomed the development as he recalls the large-scale losses his community has incurred.
Oku has lost enormous property, beginning from the burning of houses.
Would you take that for this mayor for Oku?
The Joe's office in Oku was burned down. They burned down the special branch office in Oku to dust. They destroyed roads, and this destruction is still ongoing. I lost 37 of my cows. My house was also partially burnt down.
The reconstruction and development plan.
They interview the mayor, the so-called mayor, where he done been an impostor because the people them for Oku never vote any election. This mayor, instead of come they talk about the civilian the way they done die for inside Oku, he dey crying about a cow the way they done seize them. He dey crying about his own personal property them. What about the hospital them where La Republique du Cameroon be born for inside Oku? He no mention about that interview. Even your own people they die. So we not go to sorry these type of people the way they go betray the revolution. They betray the people the way they supposed to represent them. As somebody where you claim and you benefit for go they represent the people them for Oko, even though they never choose you. For you to stand the talk on their interest, you talk about your own personal interest. Say tomorrow when they go arrest you, if you say they go sorry you, when I hear the radio interview.
Expected to result in the rehabilitation of about 350 schools, 115 health centers, 40 bridges, 400 power plants, amongst other issues. But critics are already concerned that engaging in reconstruction work without bringing the fighting to an end is a recipe for failure. John Ba Akuru is the president of the Cameroon Anglophone Civil Society Consortium.
It is preposterous to imagine you can begin reconstruction when a war is still raging on and all armed groups still have their weapons in hand and are actively growing their capacities in terms of weaponry. And then the next thing is that the same government's military is still actively burning down villages and destroying more homes. How does this make reconstruction plans reasonable? Saying that you want to reconstruct now is simply a kind of make-believe to give the impression that things have returned to normal.
So now here, John Ba Akuru explain about that interview, and I'll be very sorry, so I don't know how that particular interview be done, whether now for radio station or now for international station, but now one of our activists and way he send the recorded interview, we record them from the phone, where we go on for radio. So John Ba Akuru explain and say how we go do the one so-called talk reconstruction where fighting the still go on, where the same government it is still carry on military operation. So now just a make believe. Now a corny way for make believe say things that come back for normal and now a scam. So maybe we'll hear the interview. They also interview Dr. Cho Ayaba, the leader of our war of liberation. Maybe we'll hear the interview.
Life has returned to normal, and that of course is not true.
Already, separatist leader Cho Ayaba has called on his fighters on the ground to enforce a 4-day lockdown in attempts to disrupt the reconstruction plan. The separatist uprising in Cameroon's Anglophone regions has left at least 3,000 people dead and over 700,000 forced from their homes. The crisis erupted in 2016 when Anglophone teachers and lawyers took to the streets to protest the use of French in Anglophone schools and courts. The government took a hard line and the corporate demand.
So now the year now the reporter way they report them for press, for radio, for inside Bamenda Day, we would then get them from one of our activists them. Would also say La République du Cameroon, the first person where they be that appoint me be na the chair for the coordinator for the reconstruction plan. It be na the former mayor for inside Kumbude where they be that arrested unasi. Na the mayor this it be na Donatus Njong. Donatus Njong way the Ambazonia Defense Forces them for inside Bui the ADF be that arrested before for questioning na he now then go begin work. Na a very nice man. I don't meet it personally. He don't visit for Hong Kong here for a diplomatic visit before. I didn't meet up here before this struggle once time. A very nice man. It just be so sad for see people that like this where they need for no better. Now they go learn themselves in La République du Cameroon to use them. Now a very close associate for Frundi. He don't hide away from that position where they begin say maybe the chair of this coordination. He don't get another for the another Ambazonian way na mawe come up from Lebialem. We don't see na it is na Paul Tasson. So Paul Tasson and arrest warrant and be given against his name. Say me Ambazonian them any place they see me then arrest see for the Ambazonia Defense Forces me them bringing in dead or alive. Ambazonian Defense Forces they promise a reward of 1 million amber. That means 2 million CFR. Any person where if he catch this man for we make it contact we, they will give you that money. We will transfer that money for you. When I see my WhatsApp number, I need this under here. When I get for me directly for any place we did, no matter place we did, we need for catch it because it violate our sovereignty. It facilitate an alien annexation and recolonization of our territory. A crime them we need for stop them. I would want to say this action where we see them, where it happens so now a conniving between La République du Cameroon and the international community. Mr. Paul Biya, they always look for any opportunity for go scam the international community and a gullible money lender them from money. What other way can Mr. Paul Biya do instead of desperation than for him to go begin to make a campaign, say one collect money for can rebuild Ambazonia? How many times he done promise Una ran see the roadway there between Bamenda and Bafusam. How the road idan nyaa. Now that same roadway this enables them. Ni John Fundi, yeah, ni cousin, the one where the other former Prime Minister Achiri Achu. They will carry them go for airport, bring them in. They can dance. The one reconstruct that road. How many years now they never do anything? These people them they use Ambazonia for go scam the international community. Say they want borrow money, and now they don't hire lobby firms them where they use them. And shameful Ambazonia like Paul Tasson. This Paul Tasson, when I remember, now he be the man where we will get information, say give money for fee marshal for Lebialem during time for election. Now he be you use fee marshal. Now the politician them where they can use our forces them through this so-called county by county things them for become misuse we. Very, very, very bad. John Donatus, you should know better because you've been a man of the people. Now what did that happen for you? Now what did that happen for you, Donatus? It not be enough for you for height, you not go be the chairman again. You need to step down from that scam and for stop for enable La Republic. If not the way this way they go compensate you for build the structure for the Bui warriors for destroy the revolution. Then I say, Mr. John Donatus, shame for you. And for Ambazonia people, when I see John Donatus, now they arrest this way the ADF people they be do them. Now they work this for ADF. Now they make La Republique du Cameroon and they enablers and they traitors. Then for our land they be afraid of the ADF because they also will be smart enough for know say the problem they will be smart enough for identify the shackles them where they don't hold we. Now because of arrest people then like Don Donatus who don't see how they use them today. Now he make and they try to and destroy the ADF for inside Bui. Now the same thing will happen for all around Ambazonia. When I remember that way General Arike be stop election, then go after ye. When I know say they be afraid for General Efang for the ADF for inside Momo for the same reason. Now we don't see how they don't facilitate the return of the phone way be there for day. They be no say with the ADF for inside day. That phone no go ever return. The phone don't carry only a picking for abroad Babila. And the other one the way they for the when I see video and video how they plot for destroy the forces the way they be uncompromising for the integrity for protect the integrity for the revolution. Make una shine una eye for no way to where it happen. I will give una later. We don't also see La Republic the use again. Salim Bomwing, the organization. This organization they call na snuff or na snuff or na way to they call them for attack the Ambazonian people their aspiration for independence. We don't see later way Salim Bonyo way Rambina na the new director for this their fake protest them where they protest for peace. Even one protest, when I go protest for the Cameroon government when they get the biggest gun. Now they commit the highest atrocity. When I go complain for them, when I go protest for them, when I send letter, say when I be against the tactics for lockdown. When they go to keep people there for Bafu, they keep people there for inside Momo. Why would I not be sent later? Say when I be against the military operation where La Republique du Cameroon the carry will not be targeted against our forces them, may be targeted against those communities them where those forces them come up for day. Me all do una koni una stop them and will send this warning for this group and the Sali say me they not become an enabler for 10 the international community for manipulate the international community for not perceive the proper objective for the people them for Ambazonia. Wanna be very careful. So may we leave this one. We'll go for the next issue. The next issue we'll get and I'll take una go now for inside Bui for the great state of Bui. I'll before I take una go for the visit with General Hassan, King Kong of Bui. We don't do one before I want go they make us salute all the general and for the General Ebube, King of the Forest. He do a marvelous job and he picking them too. I just be so happy every time I talk for them. They be so full of wisdom. So wonderful people. General Capo, the lion man of Bui. And I want to salute una all. Labista 1, Labista 2. No mercy. I salute una all for inside the great state of Bui. I do a marvelous job. We don't see video the way they come out where they show how a group where they record themselves in an action group. They don't launch 2 bomb attack for inside the great state of Bui. I want to bring up una for congratulate them for tell and say, irrespective of whether na which kind now who carry the action or not. Now a very very powerful action and I will give una my observation. When I see the video for social media already, when I see how those Ekelebe them come up around BBH today, they go down from there for around 3 corners for inside we. They wait them for day where the one reach they see how the bomb it explode. So our forensic expert then for the ADF, one will give video like this, would try for analyze and for make sure say na true, and would one confirm say na a true video. The video would not look and frame by frame na a legitimate video. The bomb na a correct bomb, but it missed the target a little bit. And after that, we ran send our person way there for ground day. He go pass for 3 corners for they check them. They don't be see any great destruction. It shows say the bomb missed the target. But a very successful attack. Attacks like this are very welcome and highly needed because it is send a strong message for La République du Cameroon, so that broke their invincibility for their armored vehicles them, and they know if they transport their people them around with impunity for what can destroy our people them. They know if they guarantee the safety for enablers and black legs where they carry and go them around our community. So the one talks in a very good video, but one of our observation we observe and say this video it apparently they identify a new group where they call themselves na action group. We don't know whether this group na a faction of the Bui warriors, but so far according to the ideology where the Sako people that they put them for out there na say they don't want me any group it carry any other name for inside Bui except the Bui warriors. So this one it defies way to know about the Bui. If it be way now one of the splinter group the way na the real fighter within the Bui warriors, they ran decide for attack La République du Cameroon, but will not get the full information, but will always err at the side of caution, so that make will not be blindsided for anything and not go fall for make mistake. But we want to say this type of attacks them, it be welcome that they can attack them. This will want and me go. If this boy they not get very good explosive or the designation, the explosive designation, it be very good. But if they not get very good explosive, they will help them with the technology. It will be open for always help. So now a very wonderful attack this. It is show La République say they no fit go around our country for begin pretend say they want to do reconstruction where the war it be full blown. Our capacity they increase every day, and we will continue for the proliferate explosive them, eat this homemade explosive them across our national territory. So one congratulate those ever people the way they be behind this fighting. If you watch the second video also, you know hear any return fire from the boys them where they show say those guys them they attack. They not be follow up with firing for their attack. It means that just a small number of people then, but is it show how effective even a small number of troops then fit be with a bomb. So now a very good tactics that from our assessment we don't tell when I say the Bui warriors them, some of their fighters the way now the main one they be that already run after they be see most of them they lie and they deceive them, and they be the work fee they work under Siseko. Once most of them discover and say na a scam with Sako the traitor it use them for bring them under most of them be that run over Nigeria, and why don't assist they be the back no pity me help them because their forces that are already be very very reduced. But in any case we want congratulate and tell all forces them say me all man join hand together for fight one enemy La République. We will try as much as possible for unite ourselves with forces that will see say they be legitimate now our objective that and for focus on our own attacks them, and we call them me they no be fall for the tricks for the enemy for inside them me then give we inside attack. Those attack them it be meant now for destroy our revolution, and the whole ideology say all man must carry around them Bui warrior as soon as see them, you know, in a just a useless ideology where it be meant for divide us and for conquer us. Me gonna abandon that ideology. So we'll be very very happy with this. I will also want to go for our general for inside the great state of Bui, General Hassan, when our overall commander for Bui, he then visit the local population following the kidnapping of his papa by these Bui warriors, these butchers for Bui. They then release his papa, will welcome that, and will also say will build on that confidence for make sure say will bring unity between them for prevent infiltrators and traitors for manipulating them to attack each other. So General Hassan Naidis he then visit the local population. The population come out en masse for come welcome our General Hassan. He address the population. He also visit the Muslim population where he did our Ambazonian Muslim the way they did for inside Bui. Now the picture and this he meet up all the imams them and the spiritual leader for the Muslim people them. They welcome you with open hand. They give you their blessing and they understand the dynamics for the war. So it be very important this approach where our general they meet the local population for explain them way to way they happen when they perceive say they fight each other. Also for governize them for tell them the activity them and the objective because those forces them for they fight now for this community them. The community then are them be them boss. So the forces they need for begin explain for them which way it happen. One thank General Hassan, General Kapo, General Ebube for the leadership where they show them for inside the great state of Bui, and for all for thank even No Mercy, Labista 1, Labista 2, and all the community leaders them, the coordinator the other day for they me them continue for do the good job where they do up. So we go come up for this one. I go and take una before one enter for inside other things them for inside other state them. I want to take una remember I be done tell una for 2018. So we get intelligence, a very very strong intelligence, and our intelligence that always to prove say be very very accurate. Una remember I be tell una say the poor beer wish na say one million kish and beer before he die. We'll get that one too now from somebody will be inside our inside people that they give you those information, and if it be not true, we expect say Shantabia if he never already die, he could die within the next day before Paul Bia. Now say the wicked man a day. Now wicked king. For the same intelligence, we don't get intelligence. Say somewhere he commit Sako the traitor. He don't commit treason. For get direct communication with Mr. Paul Bia, not before stand for defend Ambazonia, but for compromise the revolution. And we be telling us that they get a video call with Paul Bia before they even want to introduce them for the HD. Now we get video evidence where they show say if it don't be possible, say not be only Samuel Sako be there for that interview, but possibly some another person be there for that interview where we don't know whether na Kwanga or not. They show say it be more than one person, and that person one of the people they be there for HD talk for inside Switzerland. Make a play the video where it substantiate which will be done the talk already.
À l'enlisement de la crise anglophone, fuite en avant du fait de pointer du doigt un complot contre le Cameroun, alors qu'un partenaire stratégique recommande au gouvernement camerounais d'aller...
So now Equinox interview, this way the interview, a top 8 for Mr. Paul Biabi Vondo.
Il y a eu une médiation suisse et le président Paul Biya a été approché.
The volume be very low, but on here.
On m'aurait informé qu'il y a eu des vidéoconférences où chacun demandait $1 million, chacun $1 million, chacun demandait sa part du gâteau. C'était terrible. Et c'est à partir de ce moment qu'on a commencé à s'inquiéter qu'il s'agit effectivement d'un partage d'argent. Je suis en train de dire, et je le dis.
So when I hear that the Paul Biya did this, it tell us say for early when this negotiation was start. The Paul Biya regime, the Paul Biya has for inside today, they begin a conference call, a video conference call with Sako. Inside that video call, Sako asks them 1 million. It shows that Sako no be E1 for day, but will be nothing as Sako E1 be according to the intelligence will be, but it shows us that there will be more than one person. Likely if he be a Kwanga, because a Kwanga be easily volunteer itself for Sako for use it for go deceive the other leader, then me them go join that scam will be there for inside HD. So then talk certain way they become for the video call, or they will be interested and forget their own part of their money. As when I hear this top 8 for Paul Biya the talk, say they begin ask $1 million. I'm not sure say Bo Herbert did for this meeting. I'm not sure say Jumba Akoro be did it. Because if they be did it, Jumba Akoro for that already talk am. But it shows that the meeting where I be get the intelligence will be happen long before the Swiss D1 start. When I remember when I be talk about the Swiss negotiation, people they nobody even believe says anything like that will go on. But definitely there was a video call between Ekome Sako and the presidency of La Republique where it be promised money, and I believe say most of those money will be deposited for my trip to Boya. Now whether he chop the money anyhow na money where they be done for you, and we know say Chris Ano and the other people then be done enter too for that deal. So the video be circulated online. So now the thing that way it make them La Republique du Cameroon necessary, they nobody take us very seriously. We be get this intelligence since 2018, and we be done tell them for una as usual anything we talk eventually una they can see how it come out it happen. So I go take una now make we go for inside Kugwe. I know we make the presentation may be very long. I know say the morning time for Ambazonia people they do wake up for bed and for Europe. But as we know, we need to always focus now for popularism. People that will always come back and listen for which we will talk about. But right now, I want to take una make una go for inside Kugwe, and I will take una for go now with General Efang. If visit Kugwe, I think that before they attack where La Republique will attack we for inside our new place will be get some new place will be did for inside that area, and I'll give the location. But our general be decide to visit Kugwe because it will be out of Kugwe for a very long time. We only get a lot of complaint how Chris Anu, the traitor, they try to manipulate public opinion for turn them against the Ambazonia Defense Forces for inside Kugwe, the land of General Mba Ivona, a native village that, and it be very, very sad when I see General Efang, he enter for Kugwe, he be very, very angry, even with the local population, and he expressed that anger. Now a human being, and I will be very happy for see how they respond. It be, would also get high-level conversation. The Commander-in-Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces that order an independent commission within the Ambazonia Defense Forces for mediate, for make sure some things and be in order back in Kugwe. The negotiation is going on successfully with the notables of Kugwe. And the reason I'll play the video, I think I'll explain the other things during the video. But when I go understand for CC, wait it happen for Kugwe. When I go listen and when I see for the video, I just play the video, make when I hear them. So this is a visit of the Supreme Commander, the overall commander of the Ambazonia Defense Forces in Kugwe village.
See the part of Kugwe village, look at the story.
So now the people in this were inside Kugwe village, we were soldiers that meted them. Some strange phenomenon happened. We ran there for Kugwe for over 4 years. This time our forces they come, they see the population will be a little bit, initially the population will be a little bit frightened. And it will be very concerning for our forces them. Say now wait till that happen. Make una Ambazonia people them. Una know we believe in transparency, we don't hide anything because at the end of the day, we do all these things for una. So our population, our soldiers they enter inside Kugwe, place where they don't stay for there for 4 years. Then since they begin the fear, population the fear, then call them, then come, they interact with them for reassure them, saying that the ADF this way they know them. And when I go see through this video, the impact where the social media pollution, where these traitors they do them for our population, and this thing it affect now the whole liberation movement, not be only the ADF. So me wanna listen what way happen for inside Kugwe. First hand me wanna know exactly where to go, because tomorrow when this infiltrator they go one can use social media for manipulate public opinion, at least when I wanna know the truth from the people themselves and the forces themselves through this interaction. When I watch.
They talk to them, they worry them. You know they worry them.
I say, oh no man, I see just see when they only run, say they kill him.
When those are some man kill una too.
No. I never see me die, but they are big now.
But now be one for Kiwi, we know they have a kill una.
We not get gone.
When I want for Kiwi, but we know they have a kill una.
Una the year the interaction, this man they talk to people then see forces then they will run because they defeat they keep people them. And when I remember now from this village where some manipulated individual they be called La Republic Mika intervene for come fight against the ADF. So when I get first hand testimony from this video them when I see them.
Don't know and then no. When I sofa don't know puna so when I sofa.
When I see the people that they suffer.
This year na picking and that for inside Kugwe village, they see soldiers them. They fear.
When I see now picking and that they see soldiers them. They fear. This is their soldiers. The Ambazonia Defense Forces is there to protect these people. General Efang will tell them, if you people don't want us, we will not be here. We are here only for you. We are your children. Our forces have never violated individuals as a policy. We will never ever destroy anything or do anything bad. So I will play and make una listen. If the volume in the work I find when I tell me I still play and through another second device, me when I hear them very well, but when I begin tell me if the volume will be okay. So when I see what soldiers them, when I see their reaction.
For no good reason. See the way they did. The way they peep na peep. See the way they peep na peep. Na pardon this. Na pardon this so. Na pardon this. Pardon. Sorry.
Oh my for they don't run say why they can't kill. Why don't kill somebody? Only the run.
All they don't just cut out as when they come with the motor, you say, oh my God, go.
They not run. You know get something you will not.
Yeah, because why?
Okay, I think our OGC is objecting about one viewer who is disruptive, Madam Maggie. We will take you out. Let me take her out. Let me block her. We are not here for entertainment. So anybody where they come here like an agent provocateur who can distract our viewers will just block you. We are not looking for many viewers. We are looking for dedicated people who understand the gravity of our revolution. So let's continue. So this might be the seed and the camp. The tell say some people they be run because they see forces they come. The forces they tell they say, but why would they run? They might be the explainer for them, and they see say no, they don't get no reason for run. All the thing with them spoil ground zero. Now the manipulation and the poison where the traitor Chris Anu he feed them with them through their ABC channel. Una listen.
I know get something now because when I tell one about Kiwi don't pass. That was why when I know get something now we after
una the year our soldiers are not hiding the fact that some people in Kugwe wanted to destroy our forces. These were individuals that were manipulated by traitors. We are very clear about that. We are not hiding it. We are not saying that everything was perfect in Kugwe. That is why the commander-in-chief have appointed an independent group to handle the situation and make sure that there is peace. So now listen, it be very important because this is a very important picture of what is going on across our national territory. Now listen.
When I don't cause a lot of damage when I have to cause them. You be a woman. Any while I know the part in this where
now yeah, our forces they talk no wahala.
Pity them. I see sorry them. Got the part that they raised so far.
Now yeah, our commander they talk. These people are suffering because of the atrocities, because of the manipulation of the Chris Anu. When we were there, we were protecting them. Now the villagers of Kugwe have called La Republique. La Republique have come there, caused havoc, raped their children, and some of them have run away. People now in Kugwe are running away because they don't have the protection of the Ambazonia Defense Forces. So we're gonna hear.
Village, when are some of the parents that they be the cause of all this nonsense, all this rubbish where they have inside Kugwe village. You know what I'm like doing they work so maybe they don't know what they have but me wine. So then they behind where they know what they do and they manipulate them by the diaspora. And now while I know they
they have been manipulated by some individuals in the diaspora.
Asalopa.
Because they stand for fight for the independence of Saudi Cameroon.
So the one now General Efang had General Efang the population then come because when I know the general one kind work out big forces them. They are already surround the area, secure the area before General he come. So now General Efang this he talk for the population, he address them about their concerns and he tell them our policy and he also express his anger because don't come for Kugwe, grass don't grow for all sides. Market in the worker again. People in Kugwe they even fear for come over the neighboring village because they don't can instigate people for the one village they go fight the other one for the other village. Since them be well for the general was very angry. Because Kugwe dan host we and after the way General Ivo come out, so it be very, very important we get them right for day. When I listen.
So then they behind where they know what they do and they manipulate them by the diaspora. And now while I know they Asalopa.
Because they stand for fight for the independence of Saudi Cameroon and Ambazonia.
It be important we know say this very video, some of these boys they be there for that propaganda video where they can make up inside Kugwe with the phone. Two of them be there for day. And when I see say our forces, they no arrest them, they no kill them, because as general talk, we are fighting for the independence of our territory, the Southern Cameroons, Ambazonia. We are not there to fight anybody. We are there to protect them and to fight for our liberation. When I hear.
They stand for fight for the independence of Saudi Cameroon and Ambazonia. I need to see you. I need to talk. Find me. I talk with your friends people. You find me. And 2 days ago.
So when I see the population of Kugwe, that boy say be there for that propaganda video. Will not do anything.
You work on different machine. No man will worry you. Any man will place call me.
When I hear General Efang tell them, all man be free for move around, all man be free for do whatever they want. Any man wey get problem, me una contact general directly. Because the ADF dey for dey na for facilitate una life and for protect una and for fight against La Republic.
Na military. Una over call military. Una call military. Military no enter with me for 4 years. Una call me enter. Rape woman there, when I talk to the rape guy over here, military enter for here, rape woman there. Where to una talk am? Una talk so weti. Where to una talk so weti. If I'm there for here, una talk with the rape woman there.
Okay, Supreme General of the ADF.
Una hear General Efang dey talk about the atrocity wey La République du Cameroon they do am for inside Kugwe. They enter for Kugwe, they rape women for Kugwe, then beat people them. Enter for all house them, remove antenna parabolic, remove people their TV, carry even close them for their youths them. People that run come up for Kugwe. So when I see the result, they are manipulate una call the colonizer. When I feel say they love una, so when I see
uniform, think they want to not destroy me all throughout, not destroy everything. I stand today now by the grace of God.
If in one place una go even hear the general go explain for them how these people they don't manipulate them. They soldier them for ADF where they become up for Kugwe, where they be accompany General Efang like a bodyguard, where they be kidnap them for inside Bui. They can't deceive the people that for Kugwe say na General Efang go give those soldiers for Muyongo. When I see these people are so desperate, they will do anything to manipulate the population and turn them against our forces with the aim that they will come in and take over and go and negotiate for something less than what we want. So when I see
when you been talk all man they talk anyhow, but however, this way you don't take your heart, you can't go. I think that God do you know you way where they do things. I really
for how many years? For 4 years.
No, leave within this community.
Just wait. I did for some discussions.
Because una elders,
the first thing before now 1 week.
to caution
the first thing before now can me tell me. Una cast that awang. When I be talk woman them, the dancer for the market square. Now I be tell them the dancer. Una tell them the see. Now the soil was start on top. When I be dance awang na we ambatina. That awang we want a woman dance. Affect me. I swear.
the volume be very, very low. But General Efang they talk for them very well, explain the anger for them very well. Say they must fix things there for the village so that the picking of the village if you fight for defend themselves.
Hi there.
Now pardon this one here.
Now thing they go, thing they waka. When I like as I did so no.
No.
But they complain even market they go on.
Even for FRA, when they come, they will take them for road.
Now na pool na seven. When this sofa, oh no, na pool na 7 day.
Man don't know who side be start, but we know say na who say don't put yourself.
Now na pool na 7. When oh no, na pool na 7. This sofa so.
Now we say we pull we suffer.
If fans una know say na una self, una pool na self.
But don't come now to bat. We don't know how to start for fix up.
Yes, when I know how to start fix am. When I meet on achieve no waiting, no how to fix am. We quarter head them. When I meet on achieve. When I meet on achieve, go talk with you. Tell us on the sofa. When I go do on a complaint for you, go know what side for table you complain.
Only that because say some begin they don't die.
You begin on die, and first begin die for inside the struggle.
But we not even know that one.
You know me on my own brothers they die. You know me on my own soldiers they die. When only when I cause inside the very this village.
Whether you are soldier, don't die. Whether you don't die, mama,
but the highest thing with the cure.
When
die don't come, any man they run.
Now so it is.
Only man they run.
You can't die. Whether na war, Papa God have mercy on us.
Now so it is.
Have mercy on us.
You fast.
You be my master, you be my brother, you be my own. Now you be there with for here, you wanna. Anything you want them, you say firewood, bring them. We woman, we bring all things them. But when now we carry water, we give now wait.
See, play don't run.
Me
off.
wait
Don't
so.
run so.
I be money.
As you see that motor, they
I
come.
get my
They
pikin
say
no
they
be
run.
master.
All this mess up, una see. Na place will be she don't for day. Na where will be she don't the cook. Will be she don't for the cook. The chop we na picking the village picking for here. Una can one early morning when I broke and destroy and all. Put them for down. Una check the what you wanna do and God for heaven will be happy una. Well,
So now see,
I'm not the Kugwe village.
now the place that they be broken, the area play they broken for day.
People now call military come for this village, they'll kill people. Who's are the people there? Who's are them there? In the community. Who's are them there? One head cannot do. When I some that people they kill me. Who's are the people there today? Who's are them there today?
So when I hear, when I see una by una self, then if I go right for corner palace, but you no go enter for palace, it's in a phone must call it to resolve the issue so that they fit get their protection from our forces and they fit live in peace. They fit mobilize themselves. Who understand say the problem for village when I hear by una self.
Even the video una call military come for the palace, it didn't answer my phone. I be Jimmy around. Even right now, right away, Bakum John, equal to Mbe, they should go inside palace. They talk, they call you them. Say me they lead them. Me they pass so come for Kuruni.
Me they walk on moto.
Cash we come for military. I will try for you. You do my phone. It's inside here.
But say can't get the road.
It's inside here. Now my phone this. I will show na proof.
When I hear, the chief for Kugwe with some few manipulated elder, then decide to call our republic, me the camp can attack our people every day. We get the evidence. But the reason why we know if we arrest the phone, we don't decide to arrest the phone because we know say if we do the reason we believe say do because if we talk so one of it picking the be killed. We will not get nothing to do with them. It not be a personal issue. So now the motivation that way they behind that phone. But if that phone way, if you can't stand say one fight against the aspiration for the people then for independence, then that phone he head for them on top stick. He head go there on top stick. But when I normal thing we go handle them normally. So they talk to me all Ambazonian them. When I be 100% for protect una people them. What forces and for them for una protection and for una aspiration. Without una we no go be there. If Ambazonia today talk to me the war is stop, we go stop. But we know say now the choice for the people them, they don't express this will. So one separation, one independence. Now why that way they stand every Monday for do ghost town because they want independent and our job, and our duty as this generation for fight for make sure say may we institute way to where the people them want, may we defend the integrity for our sovereignty and our independence. Now our right thing for do and the thing that we do and I think that we will do to the end. Because now the only viable option now for our people that forever live in freedom, forever get free for the right to rule themselves and for excel in any field where they want them. Now the only way this will get freedom. La Republic of Cameroon no be a country who trust them. No people where they respect any rules or any laws. Now a virus country and a virus people they will need for fight against and make sure we secure our independence and our freedom for create the space where we live our lifestyle for inside as the free people. Now here.
Now make up. Man, no say no. I get bad plans for people.
Allons-y.
Even when I see this small picking the way they suffer, 2 months.
So I think we don't get a very good idea inside our operation of a Ground Zero. We don't get a good idea about the spirit of our boys. We don't see from their own mob, their own communication with those civilians and say then therefore they are because of the people. Then therefore they are protect the people. Then therefore they are fight against La Republic and nothing else. So we're gonna avoid all this manipulation from traitors and way they don't go be in bed with a 2D for try for dwarf and derail our aspiration for independence. We need to understand the truth from the lies. We need to understand this one and for defend the integrity for our boys and for make sure so we support them as much as they need them. So last time we be telling about the fight we be there for inside Hawaii for the village or small village for Awai. If you come up with Kugo, you want to go for Awai, you go for Awai Day. They launched an attack, a full-scale attack targeting General Efang for Awai Day, La Republique, who successfully then killed 2 of our soldiers. We will not present them for public today because of security reasons, but eventually we must honor our soldiers them, and we then wound one of them for a hand seriously. Our soldiers then fight very well, we overpower La Republique and then withdraw, then go for another side. The one come through another side. Our forces then launch an attack in Ashong, then neutralize 29 confirmed deaths. That will make that announcement. Some people they know we believe, but La Republique du Cameroun themselves they don't wake up confirm them. Say the people there they be die for inside Momo. They be been La Republique their soldier they be die for inside. They will beat them for day before they even come up for them for go attack commando their camp. Make me play the video before I go ahead for La Republique their journalists. How did they give that confirmation? Say La Republique du Cameroun their forces then die. And it be very important, me our people they know say La Republique they use the number of dead as a political funds. So they need to talk the amount of people that they die for their side. They try to hide them because they want to use them for manipulate public opinion for their side and for our side.
Information streaming into our studios from military sources in the northwest region of the country indicates that some of the information published by top military officials in the region with regards to the Widi Bali operation intended to put an end to separatist activities in the region are not true, and some military sources are indicating that the number of persons or separatist fighters said to have been killed by soldiers is rather equivalent to the number of soldiers who were killed in the operation.
So now yeah, the number of people the way La Republique du Cameroun talk say them kill them. Now instead the amount of people them for La Republique way was soldiers them kill them. Now the reason that way La Republique no be fish parade their body them for over TV, then carry and go and back for La Republique du Cameroun for go show and for mortuary. And for mortuary, we don't get information from what people they wait for day about those information. And we don't see how La Republique. I want to put this image out there because it be very very important. Me wanna see this. Me wanna know which way it happen. There are information they come now with this francophone them. What I will know very important. This be very important. I don't forget to put that off of my screen. But I will put an army when I see them. Francophone them where they work with Chris Anu and Sako them for destroy our revolution. When I run years of some of their activism where they can't talk, the video, the picture not go. But I'll use them from my phone. When I see the picture, when I see this picture, I think when I see them for the ADF soldier where the Francophone them where they try to destroy this our struggle, they talk say na ADF soldier where the TTA then catch them that way La Republique can attack the TTA for inside Momo. But when I know say the one can attack the TTA now after we run defeat them before they come for day. And this soldier, now the ADF soldier way, the last time we attack La Republique du Cameroun, this our soldier they try to outflank La Republique du Cameroun, they go find themselves for inside Gozang area, they be picked up by the TTA. Now the picture this for the soldier where they would do one na blink. Na commando he brother that where they with them for day. So now the La Republique them they want to try to manipulate for talk say was soldier they be was soldier be catch by the TTA where he be the work with La Republique and they even show a uniform for talk say na he where ADF the work with La Republique. Now for shine una eye for show na say the Cameroon government and their propaganda machinery now their main objective for talk for Ambazonia and they say ADF the work with La Republique. But when I know say a lie because say if ADF be the work with La Republique, why La Republique be go kill General Ivor? Why La Republique the work attack we? So when I need for open una eyes, when I need for understand the truth. Would even hear even how baby journalists he the command talk say get the largest amount of forces there for Ambazonia. Oh goodness, love the dog can kill me. Like the same person where he hear how a soldier they don't carry action for Bamenda Day. Talk say that soldier them because they talk they give their name the Red Lions of Abakwa. Now anyway talk say that soldier them na soldier them. Say get army them. Me can show you all army them how we show now ADF army them. The one that ADF soldier them for sure. When I say we get not be only the largest army for Ground Zero, but will be in every area for Ground Zero. Our forces are professional soldiers that have been recruited and trained to fight to liberate Ambazonia. These are the pioneers of fighters all across our territory. They don't try to reduce. These spoilers have tried to reduce our revolution, the magnitude and gravity of this problem into a competition of news sharing. Then check says somehow because the fee really pay 30,000, 50,000 for soldier, they give the information. It means that they get soldier them or they get control over those soldiers them. But Ambazonia people, they wanna be better than this. And wanna need to stop for pay attention. For these people, then where they feel say wanna be so primitive. Where when they can't flatter on our show, wanna say they get small money. They don't buy a boat, they don't do this one. Somehow wanna go get longer throat for start be loyal to them because of those things them. When I remember the soldier, then where they become stand say they want to go follow Sako when they do this my trip to Buea. Who said then they annihilate them all. Now the same people the way that they be bring Sako, that one will be the expose Sako, now they be the protect Sako, talk say Sako na the way, now their government, me all man stay for a lane. Now that same people then today, then feel so una over foolish, where they can flatter small money, una go abandon a noble cause, go expose una self me then go sell una for la Republic me then kill una. Of course, these are those fraudsters. These are business people who come into this our revolution to make money and to promote their career, and we see the evidence. The one are people the way La Republic, they don't receive La Republic to Cameroon. For inside America, they who know of 2 senators, CPDM Central Committee senators, who have paid visit to baby journalists, and here who know what it happen when La Republic can visit you. They come with definitely a bag of cola nut. Who know Ambazonia and the way they for America when are doctors them. Wali Kenyatta will know a lot of them who know the capability for people that will make money. If we tell on a very sure say the money for that boy na a dirty money. A man where he go expose a video, a private video where a woman where they dance for us because he want get popularity. Now for sure now how disgusting that person be. He be a criminal. They block them for the people they hand for miselele for Tico where they cut them a different hand. And I go advise the woman say me divorcee. Because one year say he be insult tapang eye boy mami. Which kind human being go insult person in mami? Now the same person will insult women of God for Ambazonia as prostitute. The supporters of ADF as prostitute. A woman need to be ashamed for being associated with that type of a killer. A killer of innocent people. Now who will be? Now a spoiler. We need to trade na news. We need to fight for be the first people that for show news. Yes, I be a command officer. Somebody like me. I not come for this struggle now because I like him. I know they can't send soldiers to me and go fight now because I like him. I come for this struggle just because I want help. I not become for this struggle because I want to be career. I will be a humanitarianist. For instance, Gozang there, I don't visit Gozang. I don't take my first money where I get my first bonus. I take and go to for a charity for Gozang. I go support them for day. Vela Franklin, a humanitarian, a philanthropist. Tapang I don't go work even with all weaknesses. Now we don't go work even we fight even against Ebola. We are not people who work and beg money for politicians. Them. We know people who work and find money for show off. It be so primitive when I see this childish behavior. With something as great as the livelihood and the future of 8 million people, it's so surprising how when they take and like entertainment, they even work and listen for this nonsensical shit no white blast people. So make una avoid for listen for those people them. And not say 70% of people they listen for you na francophones them and na people they boast their platform through paid means. But it no matter. Where to matter na Ground Zero. And they talk about people they get first. A command officer and I'm a force than this. When I see our population, community mobilization. These are the foundation of building the Ambazonia resistance forces across the board. Even in Bui, the forces today fighting under the Bui warriors were soldiers that were trained and mentored by generals that are ADF generals all across our territory. So we need to talk now beb, we need to talk now mob. We talk about army the way we don't recruit them, we don't train them, and they fight for our people, to fight for the liberation of our homeland. So maybe we not forget about these spoilers and enablers. So I will take Unamu go for the great state of Momo. Make una see what general, the overall commander for Momo, General Sumanguru, after the fighting for day, he and a special unit they make a video for talk for the Ambazonia people, for salute them, and even for talk for the forces them for the TTA, because general the CIC it don't command we bring unity for Ground Zero. So our forces then they even talk in a friendly manner for facilitate any peace where if it happen between us. And then be directly engaged with the leadership of the TTA for make sure say we create an enabling situation where infiltrators and traitors cannot manipulate them to have infighting. So make I play the video of our commander in the state of Momo, General Sumanguru, how he addressed the Ambazonian people for talk for them about way to way it happen. Then we will go now for tell now what happen for diplomatic side.
Hello Ambalanders. Today na 20 June 2020. I come up today for thank me and my parents, my brothers, my sisters, my fellow colleagues.
I don't know whether the volume they find. If the volume no define, I even decide for playing from my phone.
Anyone will say easy in a setup. This one na General Sumanguru.
It clear? If it clear, wanna tell me, Mr. Man give me signal for day for ground if it declare.
We defeat La Republic du Cameroon.
If it not clear, then I will play from my phone.
Or the wind, they know so we are strong now. Today na 20 June. Now they pray for we give you the power and the strength.
Okay, I'm playing from my phone here.
When by the grace of God.
I will mute them.
The past week just pass. La Republic du Cameroon.
I'll play from my phone.
Today na 20 June 2020. I come up today for time me and my parents, my brothers, my sisters, my fellow colleagues. You know they easy. You know easy at all. Anyone will say easy in a setup. This one na General Sumanguru. I will make our men understand one thing whether they fight. We defeat La Republic du Cameroon, whether this is our war, we fight them. Or the wind they know so we are strong now, they give you them power. Now they pray for we they give you the power and the strength for resist them. We're not too strong enough when by the grace of God. Maybe said the past week we just passed. La Republic du Cameroon is signed communication, say me they wipe anything with this Momo. They wipe Momo into dust. They enter Kande. They all can't thank them. We'll go social media, you see fake information. They all wipe all the barrels inside Momo. But they all can't thank them, you know, see go. I did thank my brothers them. I sit down my brothers them. For Central Bank, people Numben, General Commando. I say I appreciate it too. For a great work too. Wait you don't work too. Because they pass through the enter, they go for one area today. They seem they wipe all things too. But they enter, they know say man boy in this Momo. Momo be unshakable. So far as this Momo be unshakable. La Republic the big na big when that Momo. La Republic no just space when that Momo. Now who the control Momo? Now who get Momo? I will make Amazon for Moon and see. Me all now copy this one is an example. For example, Momo here. La Republic du Cameroon don't enter. Say me wipe the barrack for General Big Number. Me wipe the barrack for General Commando. They not succeed. Because they stand up strong, they stand up with the fight. La Republic du Washan, what did happen? Now because they stand up strong, they stand for the fight. We stand for total independence. We know the outcome, we know the fight for federation. We stand for total independence of this country. And the mostly appreciate the ADF fighters on ground. No matter what, no matter the sabotage where they happen, no matter the talk, when they talk, some they wipe ADF. Me, I do this one, they do this one. I say appreciate when my brothers them say no, they be easy. But now God, you want to get power. We're not strong today, we're not today now by our power, now by the grace of God. Now God knows we get a place to go. Where the place na Boya, we need to take our men, our part of our bush today to Boya. No matter what, Muna stay strong, my brothers them. Muna get courage to fight the fight. Muna not yet talk with it, so our brothers them. So our part in the day of diaspora. Travel social media for sabotage the soldier on ground. My brother, any fight on ground where you hear something of diaspora, where they send you
Say, take one, go kill your brother, my brother. You fool yourself. Now the moment is for unite, we work with one people. We define a one common enemy when a large public to come all we know. We define about go here. So man will find about go for his house. So man will fight this stone or go in my house. We defy this stone about go for Boya. I don't tell when I this thing at first. Saying the days ahead when I will see so our brother they will hand their weapon for the Republic. If anyone will say hand the weapon for the Republic, you know be stand for the fight. The ground it will clean itself. Not be someone will clean the ground. The ground will clean itself. I regard a prophecy. Before the end of next month, they will run plenty. Now the choosing one they will stand. That time I will see the choosing one they stand for fight for the independence of this country. I appreciate Mama Me and my parents. They that's how they find for where they try their possible best. For them they try to find, we meet a type of equipment on ground. We get weapon where we get weapon we defend ourselves on ground. Now by the grace of God, I will give more towns for now and for update too. Someone that stay strong, unity, now the best. They say together we stand, divided we fall. When I try to for update for you now, and accept for update. So that when I try, the other leaders and people, the other parties, they will try to equip their own soldiers. Me they be strong too, be the other soldiers. And only small machine I want to pass from my name passing. So we know. This one, na General Sumanguru. For example, more account today. For them I talk from my friend. Long live Ambazonia, short live the struggle.
We thank you, General Sumanguru. The cafe for up your place today. We thank all our leadership for Ground Zero and all our forces for Isa Momo. They don't do a marvelous job for Isa Ashung. Then give La Republic of Cameroon a bloody nose. I mean a complete bloody nose. We'll be so proud of their job. And we day today, we day for Una back, we day today because of Una. So I want to salute all man. We will take and now we will go for the side of diplomacy. I will cut the side of defense a little bit so I may go round up the program. We will go for the side of diplomacy. When I see say 15 war leader them, where they include Nobel Prize, they call it laureate, Nobel Prize winners them, including some former presidents, including some sitting presidents. 15 of these big dignitaries them that are right later for the international community for talk say me they intervene for the problem for Southern Cameroon for Ambazonia a problem. So we see Mimi Mifu idam interview Simon Adams when na the I think na executive Simon Adams na the director for the Global Center for the Responsibility to Protect. And their interview I will play the interview and then also amongst the people they write the letter for the United Nations. You get the Nobel Prize winner Denis Mukwege. You also get de Klerk, for former president for South Africa. He should write that letter. Former president for Chile. He also didn't write for that letter. He signed that document. Now Ricardo Lagos and other dignitary them. I will get all those details and we'll go publish them as time they go from our diplomatic side from the Hague of Sea and from the Secretary of State, Dr. Larry Ayamba. So maybe we'll play the video for the interview with me for a carrier. Maybe we'll give a little bit analysis for this interview. It will give a lot of perspective for which way they go on for our struggle. Maybe we'll not sabi.
Oh, why is it it's already at the tipping point, or why is it delaying? Because it was so easy to accept what African leaders were talking about, racism and police brutality in the world. Why is that of Cameroon in Africa delaying to be discussed at the level of the UN?
Many people would say it's taken them far too long to take up that issue. And it was only because of the extraordinary Black Lives Matter movement that we've seen in the United States and many other parts of the world that there was significant pressure on international bodies to take up that question. The question of why the UN has not more widely discussed the Cameroon conflict, I guess, comes back to this whole issue of alliances, of political relationship, of the president of Cameroon's relationship with other world leaders, and the fact that Cameroon has consistently argued that this is a sovereign question, that it's dealing with the situation.
So I got to drop small comment them so that me gonna get which way it talk very well. So now Simon Adams that way now he be the director for one of those big NGO them, humanitarian NGO them for the right to protect which they talk now say now two problem they ask you say why they so this our problem for Southern Cameroon. They never go talk about UN. Why they over delay? Would you see how African leader they don't gather talk me and talk against racism for America? Then he talk say the reason why Black Lives Matter they talk about racism now because Black Lives Matter now a very big and very popular movement. In the show when I say popularity for the international community be important. Now either way they protest them, what will do them around that sensitization, they may be very important for raise that capital if you use them for translate for put that pressure. But also it talks say Mr. Paul Biya a relationship with other countries them it also be important because Paul Biya don't succeed for convince other countries and say this so do one a sovereign issue will be an eternal matter. And Paul Biya never lack people them for help. He don't always use infiltrators and collaborators them within the SDF and CPDM people them and some NGO them for do that job for you. So he explain. I'm gonna play the video. Me wanna understand what he talk and then we'll go the analyze them.
Well, I certainly come from a different tradition. I come from a tradition that believes in universal human rights. I come from a tradition that says that sovereignty must entail responsibility, and that the greatest responsibility that any leader can have to their own people is to protect them from mass atrocity crime.
So it talk say when it comes for mass atrocity, two things them. When you get mass atrocity, crimes against humanity, then you get to invoke the responsibility for protect. When are the issue that way done for the war for Amazonia, with the international community get that obligation for raise the war of the responsibility for protect, for come inside, for can intervene and for help we. So
certainly I would be one of those who wants to see it more widely discussed, who believes that it should have been discussed 3 years ago. But we're doing all we can to raise our voices as loud as we can.
Yeah, and talking about discussion, it's almost impossible if the key actors are not involved, the government of Cameroon and also the separatists. Why is the government proving who is being stubborn? And what can be done to bring the two actors on the negotiating table?
When I hear my sister me for don't talk your pidgin, you know, mama. We want to talk the English. That language they say it easy. So what people they need for understand that no can for pidgin. When the hear what the advocate them. You try, mama, and we move focus. Man, no digress.
I mean, that's where I think international pressure is absolutely crucial, because what is clear is that, first of all, when we talk about the Anglophone separatists, we're not talking about a single amorphous entity. We're talking about a number of different groups with varying perspectives on the conflict. And
so Simon Adams, he talk say one of the challenges, and I say where you talk about Amazonia, you talk about many groups, not just one group. We get different side them, and the whole issue that would divide Amazonia into different county them, so that the international community will say, but people are plenty. Hey, you want to go over this side? They will say, na Mezam give a decide for the forces them. Na Menchum give a decide for the forces them. At the end of the day, when they fight now for about village, or when they fight again about Amazonia. So that the challenges and this and the tactics in this way, La Republic then use them through their infiltrator them, and these traitors them, for divide our people by various blocks, for make international mediation it be more difficult. Now while when I see race they talk say me then carry 60 people them, me don't go mediate. Now but make it dilute our position as a state, for dilute our perception of our power for convince the international community say we fighting about a country, not be about village, not be about the symptoms.
Although one central demand, I guess, that they share.
My brother, but they talk say Capo Daniel English better pass out my own. Would they even try? You know, Sabina Aram rebel against the assimilation right from primary school. Believe me or not, right from primary school, it be make sense for me say we talk pidgin for quarter hour, go play football, you go market they talk pidgin. Then when I go for school, now they go learn for English. I always ask myself, but why can't we? Why they don't teach this science? Because I really want to understand the science, not be just for pass exam, but I want to know the science. Why would I need the teacher for language who they talk them every day for quarter? So anyway, move focus, man, not digress. When it
comes to the government, this is a government that doesn't feel the pressure at the moment of the international community, does not feel the pressure of the moral conscience of the world, and so it is able to kind of fend off that international attention while continuing to make some mealy-mouthed statements about how it's going to, hold
So it be very important. I want to see how Simon Adams classify or qualify the so-called national dialogue and the attempts by Mr. Pobia with the latest scamming being the reconstruction plan, will be nothing but a means for deceive the gullible international banks to borrow money using the name of Ambazonia. Now just a scam. So it classify all those things are just something that is trash. It's not even significant. So any man where you work follow Mr. Pobia, if he say follow Diangote, say they want to do negotiation, success going on, all those people, them and Sako, they should feel sorry for themselves. So ma continue for play and milk here.
A dialogue or whatever, but not actually changing the situation on the ground. So from my perspective,
so when I hear till now anything nobody be for change anything on the ground. Nothing has not been to change things for the ground. Now either way, Dr. Cho Ayaba be correct to another extent, even Siseko for stand for talk say the process be as important as the result where you want them. If you go for a process where it no go change anything or address the root causes, then what you go for go do one for them in the first place?
The more international pressure we have, the more that we can show that there is a group of world leaders, that there are a group of states, that there are a group of multilateral bodies.
Now the one guy say I don't talk about me for English. Me for the talk good English. Who cares? My point where they talk say an assimilation. It's like you see some black man, you appreciate to say, hey, you look like a British man, you are now like a British, you talk like a British, you walk like a British, you use the British standard, and it even minimize your own culture and where you come from. Black people, they not be meant for talk English. Go for Haiti, they cannot speak English the way the white people are speaking English. Even in America, they know they talk and the same. Go for Jamaica, they know they talk and the same. For Sierra Leone, they know they talk and the same. Make una stop or kill una self or be assimilated. When I want to talk man, the country talk passy. Pidgin are the best form of we express ourselves because it don't be coined in accordance with our own natural environment, with our own tongue. We are people of rhythm. Who cares? Who cares what if he talk English past who? If you want to talk that English now for who them? If you want to communicate with Ambazonian, we have 8 million people. Which language will you speak? If you come and you are speaking in English, you are not addressing the people as a matter of fact. Language is supposed to be like a means of communication. If our people they know to communicate in English, then we'll not be obliged for must follow the English. If American people they be standardize their own English, we will do the same. When I remember say American English be different from British English. Why we will not adopt the pidgin where it be possible for standardize them? So my point is be say me for need to talk good English or not. I appreciate her job and her talent and her means of communication. But my main point why I want to take them out of there, I just to point and say some of those difficulties where people like me for, where they talk very good English, even his own difficulties them with that English language, they show and say no be a natural language where they come for we naturally. I feel learn Swahili, speak them even more than that English because now a language will be fashioned out of a tongue will be the same like my own tongue. Now just my point why they make them. So maybe we'll focus, man, not digress.
That are pressuring the government to actually move beyond words into real action is what's going to make all the difference in the world.
So what kind of negotiation or mediation is needed in this conflict? What is your ideal negotiation in this conflict?
Well, I mean, I think that's ultimately a question for the protagonists of this conflict, whether that be the government or whether that be the Anglophone separatists. But I think that ultimately what we have seen is there hasn't been any kind of real and substantive negotiations between them. Certainly, you know.
So when I hear Simon Adams dismissed everything, including that scam where they were Switzerland by implication. He said there never be any type of negotiation at all. So whatever they become the fool now. Now people they be work go beg their own gâteau for Mr. Pobia.
My own background, whether that be in the conflict in South Africa or in East Timor or in Northern Ireland, where I was sort of involved to different degrees in those situations, is that a ceasefire has been in a separatist. But I think...
Yeah, of course, CIC is speaking very good English. Mona, no make no mistake. We go always use English, the British English. We go always use them because an international language. But when I remember, even Hong Kong, where they stay here, they use English like an international language. But then get their own talk where they talk and within themselves where it be standardized. They use their Cantonese for their courts. They use them for hospital. They use them for learn. They learn English like a language. So CIC where they address the international community, of course, you need to speak that language. Me, I speak English as well when I want to address the international community. And they should understand that you are speaking it as an Ambazonian, not like a British person. We are not assimilated people. We just have a heritage from the British people. A heritage. We are not their original British people. So, of course, we want a leader to be able to speak that foreign language. But remember that even leaders who speak their traditional language will have interpreters to help them. Paul Biya have a good relationship with all these countries that speak English. Does he go there and speak English? No. So we need to understand saying that the content matter. Even when CIC they talk English, not be even the language, not be eloquence for the language where they attract people. Them no, if not only the eloquence, people that will follow na Diangote. They follow na the content. Now the content. Now you find big book people the way they want to talk English. They focus now on the big language them where they confuse una because they know so una the end of that big language. Una don't even mind the sense. Now I know I've been a sense past king because I get sense past kings. You understand no? Those people they can't stand to talk that their language, that big English language for una. They talk and for impress una. They talk with big sounding words that are empty in content. But the sense where they behind be lacking. Now when I see those primitive assimilated people, they're like baby journalists, they can't understand the boast. Oh, I have 1,000, I can buy this, I can buy that. People who really have money are not even saying anything. Because this is so primitive to be competing about these things on social media. They think that you people are so primitive that our soldiers will just fall for it when they hear that they have money. So we need to try for make our people the media understand. Say all those sounding words and all those riches where people don't get, it don't really matter. What matter is the masses. This is a state issue. If we want to compete, I will go compete with my friend of a bar. But when we come to discuss about things that will concern 8 million people, let us be serious. Whether you have money or not, those money will not help anybody. We need to be serious to capture the gravity for this issue. Maybe we'll stop or play mind games with our people then. Somebody will go and release his video dancing with the wife twerking on him because he wants to attract social media traffic. How crazy is that? How sick is that? And I see many of our people, I'm so disappointed with with some of my friends. I even see Biko Khan, they are putting it on their social. Even my very good friend, Bella Franklin. You are putting those things on your Facebook for what? Don't you know that is an insult? You are just helping to reinforce a negative stereotype about our people and their complexity about wealth. People who have been raped from all their resources all along, they know nothing but poverty. And you do those type of things to them, you should know better. When I ask myself, how can this baby go and release those videos to gain popularity? Shame. Anyway,
ultimately what we have seen is there hasn't been any kind of real and substantive negotiations between them. Certainly, my own background, whether that be in the conflict in South Africa or in East Timor or in Northern Ireland, where I was sort of involved to different degrees in those situations, is that a ceasefire has been an essential part of moving from an armed to an unarmed phase, and then from not talking to talking as part of a ongoing process of trying to resolve the conflict. But it's clear that there are fundamental issues that need to be resolved in Cameroon in order to stop the fighting in the long term.
Now, one final question.
So, even the professional advice that there are fundamental issues that needs to be addressed. There are fundamental issues, and those issues they need to be reflected for any scope of any negotiation. It is a no-brainer. You cannot get into a negotiation in a negotiated process that does not reflect where to define them. You cannot do that. Okay, Dr. Ayims is here. Is the man who works with Sako. We are misrepresenting the international process. Mr. Ayims, this is Dr. Simon Adams speaking. Frankly speaking, you and Sako should stop that your game you are playing with the life of 8 million Ambazonians. You should stop that nonsense. This is the person who is the executive director of the responsibility to protect. A internationally recognized laureate. He's saying that there have not been any process, and you are there trying to argue. Is it not the same you and Sako who was saying to the Ambazonian people that the United Nations have invited you to the UN? Did they invite you? You people have lost all credibility, even with your big book. And you come to my platform, you can just listen and go away. Don't come and provoke me to expose you people more. You people are big liars. Sako had a video communication with the presidency of La République du Cameroon, and you are here. And that was the communication he had that triggered the HD to come into play. It was not there to help Ambazonia. It was not there to even put us in a negotiation with La République. It was there to calm down things so that things should go to normal without resolving the crisis. And you know that, everybody knows that. It is just common knowledge in the diplomatic cycle in Yaoundé. Everybody knows that it was so stupid. And you people dragged us there and you were forcing us to go there. You are playing on the gullibility of our people to destroy their aspiration for independence, because they have convinced you people that we are not going to win. We will win this thing and we will put you to shame. We will win you and put you to shame. Any man where they don't go chop money, any people like Sikot, all those people you're walking around with them, Sikot, Santos, all those your cabal will put you people to shame. You people are so wicked that in the 21st century, I think the Balas and all those people who ate money before, who were promised careers and they have given career, even the one that we know that they are giving them career now in America, they thought that it is going to be like the SDF. But you are dealing with a never again generation. Our people have expressed their will to say that no to colonization, no to any form of federalism with La République. No, it is our right under international law and we will exert it. We will win. Watch and see. So I will leave it there. And Silas, since Silas Azefo is here, he is a program director of SCBC. I will finish this show and I will send it to them in their official email. They have said that first they will deal with every activist individually. I will forward it to them. And if you people don't put this show on SCBC, then that your Connie will have to be addressing that your Connie. But for the sake of tranquility, we give you the benefit of the doubt. We'll follow the procedure and we'll forward this show to be put on SCBC so that our people, they will get sense, they will know it really happened. We don't do a marvelous job as Vanguard, and very few people in Ground Zero will actually know what we are doing, but we are very happy that most of them with social media access know very much our job for them, and they will have it. So I will leave the show here and I will just say, may God bless our people on Ground Zero and our forces. My kids are back from school. I will have to stop and give us success within the shortest period of time and shame the devil. God bless you.